The real reason you don't understand concepts. Imagine two students sitting in the same classroom. They have the same teacher, the same textbook, and the same amount of time to study. One student understands the chapter in just 20 minutes. The other reads the same page 5 times, but still doesn't understand anything. Why does this happen? Most people think the second student is less intelligent, but that's not the real reason. The biggest mistake students make is trying to memorize before they understand. Think about learning to ride a bicycle. Would you memorize a book about cycling and suddenly know how to ride? Of course not. You first understand the balance, then you practice. Studying works the same way. A concept is like a puzzle. If even one important piece is missing, the whole picture becomes confusing. For example, if you don't understand fractions, algebra will feel difficult. If you don't understand atoms, chemistry will seem impossible. The problem isn't the new chapter. The problem is the missing foundation. Here's another mistake. Many students are afraid to ask why. They only ask, what will come in the exam? But real understanding begins when you ask questions like, why does this happen? How does this work? What if it were different? Another reason concepts feel difficult is information overload. Students watch one YouTube video, then another, then another. Different teachers explain the same topic in different ways. Now here's a simple 3-step method. Step 1, read the topic once without trying to memorize. Step 2, close the book and explain the concept in your own words, as if you're teaching a 10-year-old. Step 3, find the part you couldn't explain and study only that section again. Repeat this process until you can explain the whole concept without looking at the book. This technique is far more powerful than reading the same page again and again. Always remember this. Understanding is slow in the beginning, but it saves hours later. Memorizing is fast in the beginning, but you forget it quickly. So the next time you don't understand a concept, don't say, I'm not smart enough. Instead, ask yourself, what important idea am I missing? That one question can completely change the way you study. If you found this video helpful, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with a friend who struggles to understand concepts. See you in the next video.